Hi guys, as for today's video, we are going to a bus tour in Tokyo. Good morning. So maaga tayo guys. It's 6 a.m. in the morning. So kasama ko si Habi guys. So we are going to Shizuoka Prefecture. So ito guys, hintayin muna natin mag-explain ang bus tour guide.
本日はステップトラベル宮野浦観光バスをご利用いただきましてありがとうございます。本日一日添乗を止めさせていただきます。浅川と申します。よろしくお願いします。ありがとうございます。まず朝お渡しした保険用紙なんですけど、こちら上のツアーナンバー出発特にいらないです。で、パンネギをたっぷり乗せて上からちょっと醤油垂らすと焼き
In-explain lang sa atin guys na umalis tayo 6 in the morning at babalik tayo 6 p.m. in the afternoon. So ito guys, tumatakbo na tayo and along the way we can see Mount Fuji. Ayan, ang ganda-ganda niya guys. Wow! So dito guys ay ang ating first stop and we are going to the Izu Shujinji. Let's go! So, lakad lang tayo. So, it's autumn time guys. So, you can see the leaves turn brown. Mamaya malalaglag na yan sila guys. So guys, here pwedeng magbabad ng paa. Ayan, mainit dyan. Wow! Umuusok. Okay, let's go back. Okay, so now let's do a little shopping. Tingnan natin. Oh, pickles. Pickles. Ito guys, wasabi pickles. So it's time to buy some pasalubong. Autumn leaves. Maraming pasyalan dito guys. Hajime datte. At this point guys, babalik na naman tayo sa ating bus. Sakay na. I am looking forward guys sa aming lunch. Wow, ano kaya ang isi-serve nila for lunch? Ang nakakatuwa dito guys is tayo sa mga pamilihan. Meron talagang patikim. So, tikim tayo guys. Ang sasarap ng mga pickles. So, here we go. It's lunchtime. Ayan na. Wow! Grabe guys, ang dami. Ito talaga guys ang pinaka-look forward ng mga nagbabus tour. Ang lunch time. Wow, yummy! Ang dami-dami, grabe. So we have here tempura, merong sushi, we have a little sukiyaki, and what else? We also have nabe, a cute one. Ang sarap ng rice nila guys. Grabe. So now guys, we just finished our lunch. Bonggang lunch. So from now, we are going to the Sunkist Gathering. Or how do you call it? Sunkist Harvesting. Here we go. Samahan niyo ako guys. So how does it look like? Dito guys is strawberry. Strawberry pa dito. Ayan oh, maliliit pa sila. Hindi pa pwedeng kainin. Strawberry. Ayan oh. So where is the Sunkist? Doon daw guys sa unahan. Doon na tayo. Wow. Nandoon si Javi guys na unahan. So look at that guys. Ang dami na laglag. Sa tayo. Kaya ang sinabi na saan ba ang maraming Sunkist. Ayan o. Ayan na. Wow, ang dami. Grabe. Oh, first time ko dito, guys. Wow. Harvesting time. Oh, so I want to look. So, eat and harvest. Wow, look at this guys. Oh, ang dami. Puso ko tayo. So ito na guys, harvest and eat. How do you call this? Mikan.
Mikan.
Mikan is Sunkist or in English?
Orange there.
Oranges, yes, oranges. So guys, this is my very first Sunkist harvesting here in Shizuoka. Grabe guys. Plenty of Sunkist. Wow. Look at this. Sa ilalim, ayan. Marami na rin nalalaglag. Under. Grabe guys, kailangan naming umupo dahil mababa lang siya. Wow, as in, eat all as you can talaga. It is so yummy talaga guys. Ang tamis-tamis. Look at this dance. Oh, this is very big. Here. Very sweet. This is very Very sweet. Okay, so balik na tayo sa ating bus, guys. Biyahe lang. So, baba na naman tayo para mag-shopping. Ito guys ay tindahan ng fish cake. Maraming klase ng fish cake dito. Fish cake shop. Fish cake.
そう一番奥にあったんで先に行かないとあれですね。
あれ取れてる後ろ
Abang tore-tore. Sabay mabushi. So this is Odawara City. Guys, nandun ang mga tao binababad ang paa sa mainit na tubig. Look at them. Nagbabad sila ng paa. Christmas tree. It's Christmas time in Odawara. Oh, what is this? Oh. Having not coffee but shoe cream. Soft cream. Okay. Hope you like this video guys. Please give it a thumbs up. Thank you.